Okay, on repairing chains, what we need to do is set the chain out, get it all straight, make sure all the links are all kind of laying the same like they are. Like this one here, you got the links here, now it's got a twist in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the link back around, twist that. This one here's got a twist in it too. Now all the links are laying there, all the side chains are laying the same direction. This chain here, we got a broken link, just the hook's missing. The whole link's broke on it. The chains they're 4-link spacing, so they're going to be every 4th link you're going to have a chain cross link. So you have a cross link, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll put a new one in here. Set the link out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where you got a cam, that's going to be a 4-link spacing. The whole cam's a 4-link. They're nice and straight over bent. Sometimes you got to turn around and do one hook at a time. Now we got a hook in there. Another thing to look at is inspect all the hooks. You can see where they wear on the cross links. Actually wore on the hook. If it's 50% or less, you want to replace just a hook. If the links are worn, you want to replace them probably after about 4 or 5 links, and then it's almost the time involved and the expense to just replace the whole chain if they get worn. So what we'll do is we'll replace this worn hook here. Open up the hook. Take the hook out of there. Then you're gonna have to open up the hook here to where you can get it off the cross chain. There. So what we'll do is feed the hook through there. Go through and inspect the rest of the chain, make sure everything's no cracks or anything at the welds. And that chain's repaired. Okay, so this chain here fit too big on the vehicle, so you could not hook in there. So we got the hooks on the one end, just the loose ends on this end here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull a link out of there. If you had to take 1 or 2 links out, this one here was wanting to fit back in right here and just in front of this link here. So we're gonna pull that link out of there so we can make it shorter. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be hooking into right here. Now we have an excess tail. We only wanna keep probably 2 links excess after where it fits. Take a pair of bolt cutters and cut the tails off. And then that way when you install the chain now, you can go shorter.